What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'?
Welcome back to the channel. Click, 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 click. But guys, welcome back. If you ain't already, can you subscribe to the channel, please? I'll wait.
Yeah. Do that now.
You done? Okay. Welcome.
You know you gotta pretend to like something, guys.
We're drinking cognac. Straight.
No, for real. So we come back with all the pearls and shit and looking like somebody's auntie.
Yo. You someone's mama.
No, but for real. Pet peeves.
Yes, guys.
In what we doing in pet peeves in terms of like what we don't like in a guy.
Yeah, for y'all guys to know what we don't like. Well, not every girl, which is we don't like, innit? Every girl's different, so you never know. But this is our pet peeves for 2021.
Let me kick it off. Let me think. Right, let me think like all right. My pet peeve is when you're trying to be too seductive. Like there's a balance. You've got to know what to do. Yeah, this is hit or miss because I like it, but then you can get it totally wrong, and it's like it's like when you're trying to talk soft in the airs, but there's extra breath, and I can't hear you. So like it's not like you're doing it seductive and I can hear you, and there's a little flow of a breath, and it's tickling my neck and whatever. It's like just hot air, and I can't hear you, and I'm like, huh? Yeah. That's one of my things.
One of my things is like being in a party or a rave setting, and then you move to me, but then you feel like I'm yours for the night, babes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm not yours. Just because we might have exchanged a little something. Go back over there, I beg, because I'm not yours, innit? Like, don't try that by side.
That's why you can't even take a drink these days, because that is like so in
marriage.
That's like
marriage in the rave.
I'm yours for the night.
And if they see anyone and buy you a drink, it's a problem. Like they're looking at you like, what? I thought we had a connection. No, babe, I just gave you my number. That don't mean I'm yours. That's my pet peeve. Loud.
And then if you're too loud, like you're doing too much, and then you know like. If you see this, if you hold me and you're doing all of this, and I'm like a little, like, you're mugging me, I'm a next to a crick, I'm like,
That's a ragdoll.
That's you didn't know to look at me like to say it, babes. Honestly, I don't like that. All that and gripping me up, and I'm
not here for it.
And then you're loud and you're drunk in my ears, and you think you're whispering, and you're like, yeah, so what are you saying? And
even for me, like, if I'm not drunk and you're drunk, it's a whole turn off. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I'm not drunk and then you're doing the most,
yeah, that's just
I'm a run.
Yeah, it's too much.
And my hygiene. I want to smell something. I don't want to smell the house.
You want to smell something nice. Don't say something before you come with a BO.
Not that. I'm talking about good. I want to smell scent.
Fragrance. Some fragrance.
Even if it's a Lenore, I want to smell it. I don't want to smell that musty smell, musty, walk past, bro. I want to, when you walk past, like, ooh, the smell's still lingering. Yeah, make sure you smell good. Hygiene up.
And you can't, is it a pet peeve or is it just like, do better? I'm trying to think, but it's like, I don't want to see you on your basics every day. I understand that you're grinding, you're doing this, you're up and down, working, this, fit, that, whatever. So you've got your little tracky on here, but I want to see a different you sometimes. I don't want you to come through pulling up the same all the time, like getting comfortable already. That's another thing. It's like,
One of my next pet peeves, it might sound very petty, but you see a guy who comes to my house and you got to hold your sock. Bruh, that's a big turn off for me now. Like, it seems so small, but for me, you put on the shoe, you show the hole, and you still continue to put on the shoe and step out of your house. Yeah. If you're going to do road, that's cool. But you're going to a girl's house, where's the hole going in your sock? No. Or underneath your arm. Someone came to my house and lifted up their arm and there's a big hole. I said,
It's, I can't, and some people can't help this one, but I can't do the sweat patches. Yeah. Like, I can't.
Yeah.
I don't know, like some people can't help it genuinely, but even that the fact that you can't even help it is blatantly a bit of a problem for me. I'm like, I can't. And then, you know, there might be and they always the one that does a lot of movements as well. Like, they've got a hot, like, the thing, and then they're the ones that do a lot, and you can see it. Like, you're not even like the ones that just contain themselves. It's just a lot of, no. Next pet peeve is, all right, guys, hold on for this. No. No, but you know them guys that because you've got a car, they want you to drive everywhere. Every minute, like, drop me up the road, do this, do that. Don't get twisted. I don't mind a 1 or 2 or whatever, but not all the time. No, or I'll give you petrol money. I don't care for your petrol money. Like, all of that stuff. I just don't want to be driving all the time. Simple. Men normally like driving anyway. That's a bit of it.
I know.
But I don't care.
I like sitting the passenger side of my man. I ain't gonna lie. I like to be sitting pretty next to my mains. Like, I don't mind to drive, that's the thing. But not all the time.
Not all the time. Not every minute
look cute in my ear. I'm not
and
here
then
for
you're doing too much. Like, I'm driving, and like the world's got to know you've been in my car because you want to sleep in my car. Basically, your chair's that far back,
all the way back.
I'm just like,
But why are you hiding from?
Yeah, do you know what I mean?
I know. Another pet peeve of mine, which is not even just for men, is like going in my bed with your outside clothes. Don't you dare. My ex knows about that as well. Don't you dare go in my bed with your outside out of row clothes. And if I don't know, it's a Caribbean thing. I don't know about Africans.
Because even your bag on the bed would bother me.
What?
If you come in and you put your bag on your bed, because some people put your bag on the floor. I don't, because the Caribbean people put your bag on the floor, empty. But some people do, and then you want to come put it on my bed or my kitchen counter. Those things, they bother me. I can't lie.
But when Caribbeans don't even like you sitting on their bed with the outside clothes, let alone. But I've witnessed people try and come and get in the covers with your jeans from outside.
Nah, where did they do that? I've not.
If you ever knew it was, and
there's actually
a person, and like, this is why I'm saying it, because don't come with it outside. Like, you sat on walls, you sat outside, and then you come in my clean bed.
Even my son coming from school and he tries to sit on with his uniform, you know, when he's talking to you, I might be in bed, he comes in, straight away he's like, whoa.
I'm so scornful. Even when I don't come from nursery,
I do not care.
Don't go on my bed. Take off them clothes before you even step on my bed.
No, you know what? Do you know how much dirty people listen? No, I just can't. So that's definitely a pet
big
peeve.
Pet peeve. Yeah.
So you know, like, if you're you go out somewhere and then you post it on like your WhatsApp, your Snap, whatever you got, you post it, and then you get a message, where was my invite?
It wasn't in the post.
Not everywhere I go, you gotta be going, B. And not only that, it's like, it's not only that, when you are out, I'm not that type of person. I won't be like, oh, my invite, blah, blah, blah. Maybe if we're speaking on the phone and you tell me about something, I'll be like, oh, where was my invite, or whatever. But I'm not that person. I'm not just gonna come message out of the blue and be like, where was my invite? That just irks my skin. It's like, no. And then the other one is, well, let me talk, because in the business world of this whole every minute mate rate. It's like my mate don't rate me. Mate, you don't rate me. You don't want me to make no money. It's like,
why not just support the team?
I can't do it.
And my pet peeve is about supporting, guys. Like, it's so sad that the people don't want to support you. Okay? We talked about this before. We're not gonna go too deep in it, but supporting is free. Okay?
Anything.
Advertising for your friends is free. And then you see that same person advertise for a stranger or someone else that's not their people because they don't want to support.
I think people follow the hype. So if someone's got a bit more of a buzz behind them, they might not even need the advertisement that much, but just to be noticed by them or whatever, you will do it. Do you get what I mean? Whereas someone that ain't got that buzz yet, they ain't got the hype, you're not ready and willing to do it. You know, it's like maybe there's no personal gain for you, but if someone's buzzing and they've got that little ring going on and whatever, you're quick to put up their stuff like, look at me, I support you. Like,
I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that.
And then there will be the same ones that be like, mates, no mates.
And guys, add your pet peeves into comment your pet peeves. Let us know what your pet peeves are.
Because I've got loads. I think we started off talking about with guys, and then we're just in general.
It's like,
this bothers me, and so there's so many. Like, I could probably go on, but
we can go on for ages, but we're not going to go on, guys. We want to hear your pet peeves, guys. So comment.
I'm easily to put off, you know. I think I'm easily put off. Like, all you got to do is breathe wrong, and I'm like, oh my god.
That's another one, bad breath.
No.
And we said hygiene, but bad breath is key. I mean, some people got rotten teeth in that, but fix that.
Bad breath.
Bad breath.
Mm.
If you know you got bad breath, roll with the gum.
Yeah.
We can go on for days.
So let's just.
We're gonna end it here.
Good enough, and then you guys come and hit us up with what your pet peeve is. We're interested to know.
Yes.
So comment below.
Don't forget to like,
subscribe, hit that notification button so you know when we're posting, and
keep up with us, guys. We've got socials, T_N_CEE. And then you forgot that. Yeah. But yeah, like I'm gonna put it down here anyway.
It's always in our bio as well. Yeah. So if you read
click in, see what we're about. Get me, it's the new year. I'll come with new things.
We're trying to be more consistent with we're not that great on our socials, admittedly.
Yeah, so we're gonna do better.
We're gonna try and do better this year. So watch out.
But don't forget, we love the support we see. We see y'all. Cheers.
Thank you for those that's been riding from the beginning, and you know, with the comments, the feedback when they see us, all of that. We love you.
Even the people that I see that don't comment, but when I see you, it's love. All right.
And big up all the ones with the what's good, what's poppin'. Walking somewhere and they're like, what's good, what's poppin'.
Even man them, all right, y'all.
That's it.
But that's it from us, guys. Stay tuned for the next vloggy vlog.
We love y'all.
Bye.